Hey, so I just hit 10,000 subscribers and this makes me feel very good. Thanks to anyone who ever watched my videos, subscribe to my channel and like my videos. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you the lesson that I've learned on this channel, but also how long did it take for this channel to reach 10,000 subscribers, how much I made on this channel since I started to post on this channel. So let's dive in. So I started to post on this channel in 2022, and at that time I was posting about entertainment. You can see all the videos that I was posting before, it was all about entertainment, and it was really not something that I could be proud of. That's the reason I decided to switch up. So in 2023, at the time that I switched from entertainment and decided to post videos about finance, and this it has changed me in a very good way. And if you're thinking about changing niche, you can be talking about entertainment right now. You can be talking about a blog, but if you want to change your niche, it's okay. I've seen a lot of people there asking about, is it okay to change a niche from this niche to the other niche? It's really okay because I saw it, I tried it, and it worked. So I really encourage you, if you're not proud of what you're making right now, you can be able to switch up and try another niche. That's what I did in 2023. So I started to post about finance in 2023 in May, and that was very challenging month because at that time I was really not getting the same amount of views that I was getting previously. So I kept on working very hard. I was posting like 3 videos every single week from May up to August. And in August, it was my first time for my video to reach at least 100 views for one video. It was really hard to reach at least 100 views. It was really not easy, but I kept working really hard and I was making sure that every single week I must post at least 2 videos up to 3 videos. So if you're thinking about creating a channel and you're asking yourself how many videos you are willing to put a week, I recommend you and I can advise you, you can at least put 3 videos or 2 videos a week. It's really not easy, but you have to push yourself, you have to outwork yourself, and at the end of the time you can see the result. So how much did I make on this channel and how long did it take for me to reach 10,000 subscribers? The exact amount of time that this channel took to reach 10,000 subscribers, it was 2 years. I think I can say that 2 years, and my channel has been growing very slow. I don't know why. I think because of my English maybe is not that good, and that's the reason my channel has not been growing up very fast as I was expecting. But I'm very appreciative and I really appreciate all the steps, all the process. I'm not gonna lie, this has been a very meaningful channel for me because it has changed my life, it has changed my perspective. And the only thing that I want to encourage you right now, if you want to create a YouTube channel, it doesn't matter where you're from, it doesn't matter about your background. You can go ahead and try, you can try new things, and you can see how your channel is going to take you. Because I really never expected that I can reach 10,000 subscribers on this channel because I was about to give up. I was getting 9 views, 8 views, 1 view every single day, and it was really not motivating. So the amount of money that I made on this channel, it is not like a decent amount of money, but it's something that I never expected that I could make despite this channel being very small. So right after I started to post different videos about finance on this channel last year in May, I generated more than $1,400, and this makes me feel good and it motivates me to work even hard because the amount of views that I have on this channel, there are not too many views, but the amount of money that I've made on this channel can be reasonable because of my niche. So I just imagine if I get too many views on this channel, I think I can make a reasonable amount of money. But for now, on my average views that I get every day, they're about 1,000 views a day, 2,000 views a day. Is really not a lot of views, but I can make at least $10 a day, $9 a day, $15 a day, up to $20 a day. So I'm really grateful for all the steps, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give myself like 4 years from now. I think I can improve, and I think I can give a lot of growth on this channel, and I can be a different person who can provide value to different people. The goal of this channel is to provide value to different people around the world, to inspire people who dare not believe of themselves, just like I was before. I was never believed of myself. I never thought that I could do what I'm doing right now. So the aim of this channel is to empower all these small YouTubers, all these small entrepreneurs who are thinking about becoming bigger someday. This is the reason of me starting this channel. We just have to come together, empowering ourselves to become the better version of ourselves. So that's the reason I started to post on this channel, and that motivated me to post on this channel to help one another. So if you're currently thinking about creating a YouTube channel right now, I really want to encourage you. You have to go ahead and create a YouTube channel, because there are a lot of opportunity. If you start a YouTube channel, you can create good foundation, but also you can build good connection with different people. You have to go ahead and try this. I did encourage you. There are a lot of potential. A lot of people, they are not telling you that, but there are a lot of potential. There are a lot of room for you to grow on YouTube, and you can be a better person. So you really have to go ahead and try. It doesn't matter what you have. You can just go ahead with what you have. You can start recording a video on your mobile phone, just like I do right now. I record this video on my mobile phone. So you really have to go ahead and try. You really don't have to find excuses for yourself, and the more you find excuses, the more you will be late on success journey. So thanks so much for watching my videos. I hope that this video is really going to help you to start YouTube journey. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time. My name is Hans David. Thank you.